Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful orange with pink halo eye look using PH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I already used Anastasia Dip Drop pomade to do my eyebrows. Now I'm taking this palette and using that orange shade on a blending brush, applying that on my crease acid transition shade. Now I'm taking that yellow shade in a smaller brush now and applying that on above the orange to form a perfect gradient look. Using flat shader brush, I'm taking that pink color, hot pink shade, and applying that on my inner and also like my outer corner. It's like a halo eye look. So I am applying that and blending with a blending brush. And I have to say, I talked about this palette on my Insta live. If you haven't following me, go ahead and follow me there. I'm also running a giveaway there. And I have to say, I was totally disappointed with the pigmentation at that time when I swatched it with finger. You have to use it with a brush and apply it on your eyes. It just performed beautifully, but totally I love it. If you're looking forward to buy an eyeshadow palette, colorful ones, you can totally go ahead and buy this one. It's totally worth it. Now taking these two shades and applying that using my finger on the center lid where I had no eyeshadow at all, and then I used with a brush to increase the pigmentation and blend it with the same. Now I'm taking that yellow with a blending brush and adding it on my crease, and also I'm using a different eyeshadow to apply that as my highlighter, and taking the same yellow one again, I'm applying that as my inner corner highlighter. Now taking the orange shade with a petite pencil brush and applying that as my lower lash line color, and with the shadow brush taking that hot pink and smoking it out further into my lower lash line. Applying kajal only on my waterline. I'm not going to apply any eyeliner, but I'm just applying mascara on my lower lash line and also on my top lash, and then I'll be applying falsies. I've already done the base makeup in my previous video. I will leave a link at the end of the video for that. Now I'm applying the blush using the brush, and followed by I'll apply this beautiful Makeup Revolution highlighter. And I'm going to skip contouring because it just looks so colorful and I don't want to apply any kind of shadow on my face for this look. And for my lips, I'm using this Lakme cheek color in the shade Blush Velvet. It's almost like my ML baby shade. I really love it. And then to add something to my lips, I'm adding this gloss to give that glossy dewy effect. And here I'm using the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brulee. That's it for the look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you really did, then do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram. I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.